So in this problem we have been given a plus 2ab plus b is equals to 8. And then we have to find value of a plus b. And it is also given that a and b are integers. This can be positive integer or this can be a negative integer. Now we want to solve this equation, that is we want to find value of a and b. So we will use method of factorization. So I have a plus 2ab plus b is equals to 8. So I can convert this expression something like some number multiplied by another number is equals to some number. Now I have to find what are these numbers. So this is my target. So there are two things. We have to factorize this and then we have to find possible solutions. So what we can do is, let us take in this expression a plus 2ab, let us take a common. So if I take a common, what I will have? I will have 1 plus 2b. And here I will have b, and this is equals to 8. But now I don't have any factor that is similar to 1 plus 2b, so that I can take common. So this will not work. What we can do is, in this case, we can take 2a common. So if I take 2a common, what I will have? First I will have 1 by 2, and here I will have b, because 2a multiplied by 1 by 2 is equals to a. And 2a multiplied by b is equals to 2ab plus b, and this is equals to 8. Now see, here I have b plus 1 by 2. So what I can do is, I can add 1 by 2 both sides. So now b plus 1 by 2 is common. I can take this common. So let us rewrite once again. So this is b plus 1 by 2. And here I have 1 multiplied by b plus 1 by 2. And this is equals to 17 by 2. Now I can take b plus 1 by 2 common. So if I take b plus 1 by 2 common, I will have here 2a plus 1. And this is equals to 17 by 2. Now take 2 this side, so this will be 2b plus 1 into 2a plus 1 is equals to 17. So this is the expression that we will have. So this is the simplified expression. Now we have to solve for a and b. So let us see this once again. So I have 2a plus 1 multiplied by 2b plus 1. This is equals to 17. Now 17 is a prime number. So this is a prime number. So we have limited factors. So this will be 1 into 17 or 17 into 1. So I can say this value, that is 2a plus 1, is 1 or this is 17. So one possibility I will have, that is this can be 1 and this can be 17. Another is this can be 17 and this can be 1. Since ab can be negative also, because these are negative integer, so we can also have minus 1 and minus 17, or we can have minus 17 or minus 1, because if you multiply, this will result in 17. So now I will make a table to find all possible values of a and b. So here I will write 2a plus 1 and 2b plus 1, and then I can solve for a, I can solve for b. So the first is 1 and 17. So this is 1 and this is 17. So 2a plus 1 is equals to 1. This means 2a plus 1 is equals to 1. This means 2a is equals to 0. This means a is equals to 0. So we will have a is equals to 0. Now 2b plus 1 is equals to 17. So 2b plus 1 is equals to 17. This means 2b is equals to 16. This means b is equals to 8. So in this case, we will have b is equals to 8. Now the second solution. So in this case, you have the second, that is 17 and 1. In this case, if you solve, we will find this is 8 and 0. Similarly, minus 1 and minus 17. If you solve, this will be minus 1 and minus 9. We also have minus 17 and minus 1, that is the fourth one, this situation. In this case, we will have minus 9 and minus 1. Now we have to find a plus b. If you see, the problem says find the value of a plus b. So a plus b will be in this case 8, in this case again 8, in this case minus 10, and in this case minus 10. So possible values of a plus b, it can be 8 or it can be minus 10. There can be an alternative approach of factorization also. The first step only, this step. So if you don't like these steps, that is half, then we can have another approach. In that case, what you can do is, so we have initial problem is a plus 2ab plus b is equals to 8. So what we will do is, we will multiply throughout by by 2. So we will have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b is equals to 16. Now take 2a common here. So if you take 2a common, you will have 1 plus 2b. Now I can add 1 both sides. So 2b plus 1 this side and 16 plus 1 this side. So we will have 2a and this is 1 plus 2b. So this is b. And I can take 1 common here. So this becomes again 1 plus 2b is equals to 17. So now if you take 1 plus 2b common, this will be 1 plus 2a times 1 plus 2b is equals to 17. So this is same problem that we have earlier. So this is same as this problem. So other things follows from here. So only thing is there can be a different way by which you can factorize. If you multiply it by 2, this equation, if you multiply by 2, then you basically you don't have to consider factor 1 by 2 because sometimes it is difficult to consider fractions.